Jimmy Vegan is the name, food and travel is my game. I am in the city of Atlanta, ready to eat all the vegan food. First stop on my vegan food tour through the city of Atlanta was Organic Juice Boutique. This place felt like a hidden gem. The vibe inside was cozy, colorful, and very, very welcoming. Everything tasted fresh, vibrant, and made with intention. I grabbed all the things. Fresh pineapple juice, a wheatgrass shot, avocado toast, an acai bowl, a muffin. I was trying to eat everything I could get my hands on. This place was an easy 9 out of 10 for me. I could absolutely eat here every day. Next up was Plant-Based Pizzeria. This spot was a vibe. The atmosphere was raw. Creative energy everywhere pulsing through the walls. The menu was stacked with vegan pizzas, calzones, burgers, desserts. Honestly, way more options than I expected. I had to get the vegan meat lovers pizza. This thing was loaded, crispy crust, cheesy, meaty, savory, packed with plenty of flavor. 8 out of 10 for sure. Slutty Vegan is an institution in Atlanta. It's not to be missed. I ordered the one-night stand with fries, and this thing was messy in the best possible way. Juicy plant-based patty, melty vegan cheese, grilled onions, and then, of course, that signature sauce all over the bun. Easy 8 out of 10. Next up was Upbeet. This place has a clean, fresh, bright vibe to it. I grabbed the avocado toast and a couple smoothie bowls loaded with fresh fruit, granola, cacao nibs, and nut butter. Everything tasted super fresh and healthy, but slightly boring. Definitely the kind of spot you leave feeling energized instead of heavy. I'd give Upbeet a solid 7 out of 10. Cafe Sunflower is a longtime vegan staple in the city of Atlanta. Solid flavors, cozy atmosphere. I tried the buffalo wings, the dumplings, the glazed tofu bowl over rice, and the vegan scallops. I enjoyed my time at Cafe Sunflower. I give it a 7 out of 10. Last stop, Herban Fix. The atmosphere, elegant. The food, flavorful. These dumplings were delicate and delicious. This pom-pom mushroom steak changed the trajectory of my life. This dessert tray should be illegal in 47 states. I had 2 desserts and 0 regrets. Thank you, Herban Fix. Thank you, Atlanta. You fed me very well. I loved every bite. See you soon. As always, if you're looking for easy and delicious plant-based recipes, grab my free recipe pack. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.